Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. This is Vivo Y95 smartphone. In this video, we'll learn how you can do hard reset or factory data reset in Vivo Y95 smartphone. First of all, I want to tell you that this hard reset or factory data reset cannot be used for unlocking your phone in case you forget your pattern lock or PIN or password. You cannot do hard reset or factory data reset without having your pattern lock or PIN or password. See here, I have entered wrong pattern. That is like forget my pattern and phone has been locked. Now after some seconds I switch off my phone for hard reset. But for your pattern, without giving your pattern, it will not hard reset. That's what I am going to tell here. For hard resetting, you go to press power button and volume up button together. These buttons are available on the right side of your phone. Just press them together for initiating hard reset. Yes, the menu has come. Now you can use volume down button or volume up button to move up or down. And use power button for confirming. Keep on recovery mode and press power button. And you have to wait for a few seconds. And another menu has come. Here you go to select wipe data. Just using volume keys, keep on wipe data and press power button. Again here select wipe data, press power button. Here see here, pattern is asked. So without giving your pattern, you cannot reset your phone. That's what I am going to tell here. Yes, I enter correct pattern now and hard reset is started. Click on wipe data again. Yes, hard reset is in process. Just you got to wait for few seconds to few minutes. So without giving your pattern, you cannot do hard reset or factory data reset. In case you forget your pattern, there is a separate method for unlocking your phone. I will teach you it in the next video. Now come to this video. Just wait for few seconds. Yes, wipe data is successful. Now click OK. Now go back. Again go back. Now keep on first option, reboot system. Press power button. Yes, wait for a few seconds to few minutes. Yes, your phone has been completed hard reset and you can set up your phone like a fresh phone. Just follow the on-screen instruction to complete the setup process. So in case you didn't set up any pattern, then no need of worrying about giving pattern in the hard reset process. But if you set your pattern, you cannot reset your phone without your pattern. That's the point here. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.